Hello, thank you for tuning in to Mrs. Smalls Tries It All, the channel where Mrs. Smalls tries a little bit of everything and shares with you how it's done or how not to do it. In today's video, I want to share with you gel manicure. Okay, so this will be a part of the nail series. As I learn little tips and little styles on nails, I'll be sharing them with you. Again, we want to learn how to do certain things for ourselves in order to become self-sufficient, and also helps saves us a few dollars. So let's get started. So first things first, you're going to want a nail lamp. I do prefer LED over UV. Because UV, you know how they talk about with skin cancer and things like that. Hopefully, I'm guessing LED is better, but I've been looking and trying to read articles to talk about LED and some of the issues, and I have not found anything that's necessarily against LED. UV lamps, yes. LED, not so much. Also, one recommendation, if you can only find a UV lamp, I did read that it might be better for you to cover your the skin of your hands with like sunscreen before you start using it. Sunscreen, or like a natural sunscreen that I do use a lot of, because a natural sunscreen that I use is shea butter. But of course you can use like the other sunscreens, the ones that aren't recalled. If you just be careful about that. Use a natural sunscreen to cover your hands before you start getting the manicure. And this is even if you're going to the salon, because I'm not sure if they're using UV or LED either. So when you go to the salon, cover your hands with some sunscreen before you get your nails done to have that protection from the UV. All right, so let's get started. We got our UV light here. I'm sorry, our LED light here. I do have this. This is a Bella nail lamp. I found this on Amazon. I believe it was only about $18. Not that much. I could stick my whole hand in. The one I had before, I can only do a couple fingers at a time and then my thumbs. I can stick my whole hand in, and I can also stick my foot in when I'm doing my gel for my toes. So that's cool. Amazon. I also have my this is a Market No Wipe. Here's the brand here. Market No Wipe top coat and base coat. This one here. I also found this at Amazon. I really like the shine top coat. I really like that. Top coat here and base coat. It's the one I'm going to be using. All right. I do like the quality. I have tried several different types. Okay. This was Amazon. Sally's has one that's really good too, but the bottles tend to be small and they cost a little bit more. But if you don't feel like waiting for Amazon 2 days, you can go to Sally's down the street and get it instantly. All right. But that's up to you. They don't sell this brand. I believe the brand that they have with the top coat is called Gelish. One thing also, notice this top coat is a no wipe top coat. I don't know if you notice that sometimes when you get your gel nail polish, when they do that top coat, they'll put alcohol and like rub off the excess to get that shine going. With this one, you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that, which is cool. And also I like the shine more as opposed to the one you do have to wipe. Okay. And then I have this nail color here. It's by Beetles. Now let me tell you my experience with Beetles. The little box that had the 6 colors, I found this on Amazon as well. The little box that had the 6 colors, I love. All right. However, the box that had the trial colors, I don't know what's up with those colors. The nail polish, I feel like I might have gotten a bad batch. So don't take that as like the whole set. Because again, I love the Beetles brand of nail polish. I love how it lays on top of the gel. And mind you, this is not the same brand. And it works, it works equally well. But the little trial I had some issues with. However, the trial set did come with a no wipe type gel coat. I used that like that. And it also had a no wipe matte coat. Use that, love that. But the little nail polishes, I don't know. I felt like it was like little samples. They didn't work as well. I don't know what's up with that. Like I said, I could have got unlucky and got the bad batch. So here we go. You got your nail polish. You have your top base coat. You got your base coat. You got your nail polish. You got your top coat. All right. No wipe. I prefer no wipe. You also need a file. All right. Make sure it's not that rough. Use a file. And nail polish remover. And I'll tell you why. So we're just going to lightly file your nails. Do each one. Lightly file. Nothing serious. Don't go hard and crazy on it. You're just pretty much doing this to get that little layer of oil that might have developed over your nails, and also from, if you're using sunscreen to protect your skin. You want to do each nail, lightly buff it, and I really like to buff it from the top because that seems to be where my nail polish seems to come off at. It starts to peel from the top. All right, I'm going to do that with each nail. Okay. And I feel like that does it just about. All right, next thing. I forgot you need a cotton balls too. Got my cotton balls and nail polish remover. Now, the reason why I'm using nail polish remover is to pretty much remove any excess oil. The oil, I don't care if you're using gel manicure or not, will help the nail polish slide right off your fingers pretty much. I don't know if you've ever have a pedicure that you do at home. You put lotion on your feet, you polish your toes look, they nice and everything, and then you wear socks and shoes and then your whole nail polish slides right off your toes. It's because of the oils that are on your nail polish. Maybe that has only happened to me. The oils on your nail. All right, so you just want to remove any excess oil. You can also use alcohol. You don't have to use nail polish remover. I use it because it's right here. And it kind of serves the same purpose. All right, on each finger. All right, get it good. Get rid of all of those extra oils. All right, so there we go. Now we are ready to start. Now, when you're doing your nail polish, some of the kits will have a primer. I've been doing my nails for a minute. The main thing that have made all the difference is pretty much me making sure my nails are buffed before I put my base coat on, whether I have a primer or not. The primer would go on first if you have it, but in this case, we're just going to roll with the base coat, and it will give you the same result. Remember, the main goal is to make sure you don't have any excess oils, and the primer would play the role of getting rid of those excess oils as well. So making sure you don't have that, do a light buff, fingernail polish remover, and we're good to go. All right, make sure your nails are dry, of course, when you start from that fingernail polish remover. So I have my base coat here, and for me, I'm using Market. No, and I just want to put out there, I do not work for Bella Nails, Beetles, or more. I don't work for any of these people. These are just nail polishes that I'm finding online. I try them out, see if I like it, continue to purchase that particular product or not. That's pretty much where I'm at. So no, I'm not a sponsor. These people aren't sponsoring me. These are just the things that I use. And pretty much these things work interchangeably. It doesn't matter if you have Bella Nails, Market, Gelish, you need a base coat. Okay? So I want to open this up. You want to make sure you do a thin layer on each nail. If one thing I do want to share, if you're one of those people that tend to paint around your nail all on the skin, I used to be one of those people, and sometimes I still do. What you want to do, there is a silicone that you can put around the edge of your finger, so that as you paint your nail, if you get the polish on your skin, it'll go to the silicone, and then at the end of the manicure you can just peel off the silicone. All right, so now we've covered our nail, and we are going to stick it in our UV lamp for about 45 seconds. And we're going to do the same thing to the other hand. All right, so now what we're going to do, since our hands are now base coated, we're going to put our color coating on. You don't want to go too thick, just like with the base coat. You want to do it on with a little thin layer. Okay, you can do more than one layer, but it just can't be thick. Now I'm just doing I'm right-handed, so this is me doing my left hand. Okay. That actually on a string, huh? He's literally saying that he stole from the Vatican. All right, so you got your first layer of color. First layer of color, put it in the lamp for about 45 seconds. All right, so now that we have our first layer of color, it is time to do the second layer, and you do a thin layer as well. Do, 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 do. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, so we got our first hand done. Put it into the lamp, about 45 seconds. Do the same with the second hand. All right, so now we're back with our 2 layers of color, and then we end it off with our no white top coat. All right, or with our top coat. If you don't have no white for this, that's fine. But just remember that when you're using a regular top gel coat, you need either fingernail polish remover that does not contain acetone or alcohol. Alcohol does the same thing, and what you would do is put it on a cotton ball and then rub it off. Okay, that's if you do not have the no wipe. With the no wipe, which I love, you just paint, put it under the lamp for, in this case, 90 seconds, and then you're done. Okay, but I just wanted to share that difference just in case some of you do not have no wipe. Okay, so now we're going to put our top coat on. This doesn't have to be thick either. Okay. 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 This no wipe is going to require a longer set. We'll put it this way, I like to keep it on for a longer setting time. I usually do about 90 seconds. All right, so now you have both hands done. You got your shine going. And now you got your first gel nail manicure. Thank you for watching. Click like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you soon.